loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you various apps you can use to edit your YouTube videos to look like a professional video using your Android phone. All my videos so far have been shot with my Android phone, and it is great, it is good, and it is very affordable. You don't necessarily need an iPhone or a camera to produce professionally looking videos. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, turn on your notifications so you're notified anytime and every time I drop a new video. Let's get right into it. So YouTube is very strict in terms of copyright issues and all, and a lot of apps that you use for video editing can actually place their watermarks in your video, and I don't advise you using apps that place watermarks in videos, because YouTube might say that that video will not be monetized, so all your ad work will go to waste. So I advise you use free apps, unless you can actually pay for the expensive ones, and then you can go for it. But if not, don't allow watermarks in your video. Make sure that you use free apps that are free of any form of watermarks, and then you can at least produce a few videos that are amazing. I've listed a few apps that I tested. This video is not sponsored, so I'm just doing this because I want to help a lot of people that have been asking me what app am I using to produce like this nice looking videos that I've been producing, and I'm told, okay, I'm going to give it out now. I'm going to give out the apps that I've tested, that I've tried, and the first one is InShot. I'm going to place it somewhere in the screen so you're going to see the way it works. If you want to download InShot, you go on Play Store, type in the words InShot, and it's going to pop up. Then you download. I've already downloaded mine, and that's why it's showing you the uninstall button, and you click on the download button and you download your video, and you download your app. When you download the app, you can actually go inside and start your editing process. InShot is very easy to use, it is not complicated, so anyone and probably everybody can actually use InShot. InShot comes with a watermark. Don't be scared, it comes with a watermark, true, but you can remove the watermark by clicking on the watermark, and it's going to direct you on how to remove the watermark from your video. InShot has a lot of features that are great for video production, like filters, and it allows you to even put your stickers, and the stickers can be your logo. You can make a logo and you're going to place it, because it allows you to import stickers from other apps. Maybe you produce the sticker or your logo that you want to place in your video. Your InShot app can actually go into your gallery and bring out those logos and place it on your video that you're editing. So it is amazing. I highly recommend this, and it also saves in a high quality HD version, I think 180p, and it is great. It produces a great video that looks decent and very professional. The second one is Vlogit. I love Vlogit. I think Vlogit is great, and I think that it does a lot of justice to videos. One thing about Vlogit is that it comes with absolutely no watermark. Absolutely no watermark, so you don't even have to click on anything to get the watermarks away. Vlogit is absolutely free. Vlogit also enables you to put in stickers, transitions, text, increase the volume, the same as InShot. That is one thing I love about all these apps that I'm giving you. It also has where you can increase your volume, so that when your volume is not as high after you must have shot a video, you can increase the volume of your videos on your apps. So Vlogit, InShot, they're very great for that. Vlogit is actually nice, just the same way as InShot. Go onto your Play Store, type in the words Vlogit. I've downloaded mine. That is why it's showing the uninstall button. Click on the download button, download it, go to your main menu, click on it, and then get started. You're going to find it very easy to use. It's not confusing. No one taught me how to use it. I just went on it and I was just flowing through it. It was nice, it was easy, and it produced a decent looking kind of video. Next one is VN. So VN, I stumbled across it. I just typed in place. I went to my Play Store and I typed in video editors, and I saw VN not on top but somewhere in between. And I think VN is amazing. It has obviously it has all the videos of the same with other video editing apps, but the thing that I love about VN is that it has sound effects. And sound effects is amazing for people, especially comedians, people that do a lot of comedy. There is laughter, there is applause, and it's amazing. And all this is free, totally free. You don't have to pay anything. Just go to Play Store, click on the download menu. I'm going to put all these apps down. I'm going to put a tutorial like somewhere around the screen where you can actually see what I've done and you can follow suit. And you know, I hope it makes your journey in this video editor search very, very easy. So VN is amazing. What gives it an edge over other videos is that VN has sound effects. It has other features that other video editors have. There is filters, stickers, volume, transitions, but it has sound effects, and the sound effect is free. So you can actually, when you want to, you know, when you say a joke or you make a joke, you can actually put in a sound effect where people laughing, and you know, you see that a lot of that in comedy, and VN does justice to that. The next one is Action Director. I saved the best for last. This video editor is simply amazing. I love it. I've used it countless of times, and I highly recommend it. You know, Action Director, when you go to Play Store, the same as others, type in the words Action Director. It's going to pop up. Then you click on the download button. If you have downloaded already, it's going to either say update or uninstall, like mine up in the screen. It is so amazing because when you click on it, it's going to ask you first, what aspect ratio do you want your video to come in? And you have different aspect ratios, and you can just choose the one that suits your video or suits you best. Something about this video is that its look is just professional. In the video, it has the editing, it has the place you can edit the video, such as trimming, split, and all that. And it also has an in-app tutorial. The tutorial of the app is inside the app, so you don't have any problem. You can watch the tutorial, see the way they did everything, and it actually has action. And action in this video editor means that you can speed up things. You know, this video you say people are really speaking fast. You can speed up things with the action. It has amazing transition. I love the transition, and the volume is top notch. When you use the volume in this app, your video is going to be very loud. People are going to hear what you're saying clearly. Using a microphone is not a guarantee that your video will be as clear as you want it to be. So I say Action Directors is amazing because the video volume is high. It has stickers, it has transition, it has speed, it has split. It basically has everything, but it comes with a watermark. But you can remove the watermark by watching an ad. When you watch an ad in this app, it gets rid of the watermark. You can save your video in the highest form of HD, full HD, and it's going to ask you, do you want to save in full HD? And you're going to click yes. When you click yes, you're going to watch an ad, and when you watch an ad, it's going to start downloading immediately, and it's going to tell you your video has been successfully produced after you must have clicked all those things. So you don't have watermarks in your video, and it is absolutely free, meant for everybody. I recommend it for anyone and everybody starting out on YouTube on an Android phone like me. Android is not bad. It's not bad. It is good, and I've been using it, and I'm proud I'm using my Android phone for my YouTube videos, and you can too. So you don't have any excuse for waiting and saying, oh, I can't start, I don't know how to edit my video. You can actually edit in my choosing my video, and my makeup artist and my editor. So in short, VN, Vlogit, Action Director are amazing, and if you're starting out, it is very, very affordable. It is free, no watermarks, and you know, you can produce a decent looking video like me on your Android phone. Another thing that I advise is, if you want to like produce a very nice video, you can actually combine two or more of the video editors that I've mentioned. You can combine it, like you can use Action Director but use VN to place in sound effects. It's going to come out amazing. And one thing I advise is don't download. I advise you always download from Play Store, because Play Store you're sure that what you're downloading is safe. When you download from web browsers, you see that maybe after downloading it might contain a virus, and it's going to damage your phone or any device you're using for your editing or for any other recording you're going to do. I've seen people saying, oh, I've these expensive apps that are very good, that come with watermark, I've hacked it and there is no watermark, and you can still use that same expensive app for free. What happens is when you download that from an unknown source, it might have a virus and it's going to corrupt your phone, it's going to corrupt your device, and nobody wants that. So guys, I hope this was really helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified anytime and every time I drop a new video. I love you guys. Bye.